Able to come up with a couple of examples of how Flipro has been able to achieve, its goals for some of its clients. I would say, first and foremost, in regards to commercial value add, we helped recently a customer in St. Ives in Sydney. We added over $1 million in value to their home and approximately a 70% uplift within a 6-month period for their property. In fact, it was within a 3-month period because the renovation started and finished within 3 months, although it was sold and settled within 6. So literally from a standing start, within 90 days, we've added $1 million from a $300,000 renovation in a 90-day period. That is something that it even surprised me. I'm very, very proud to have been a part of it, but more importantly, we've got a very happy customer.